2013 BMW 535 Ci, and what do we see here? 20% air mixed in with the refrigerant. At least the refrigerant is 100% pure R134, but this was a used car purchase. The customer recently acquired this car. There's no previous history.
Can I guess who told him the deal?
So this will go to the customer from whatever great person recharged this thing before. So I immediately looked for UV dye. Oh, that was me, what you see, that little bit of UV dye. But it was clean before I hooked up my analyzer to it. Come over here, you automatically get your UV light. See that there's no UV dye inside. So nobody's hooked up to it before with UV dye. That's all that tells you. Doesn't mean nobody's charged it. We know with 20% air, somebody definitely was playing this. Their complaint is it's not working. So I'll continue on with this one. Even if it was recharged with 100%, 850 grams, but it had 20% air in it, you would have operating problems. Okay, I'll be back up, and possibly it has a lot of moisture in it because of that too. If somebody's that sloppy and that dirty with their machine or whatever method they used, then we can just about guarantee that the moisture content's off the chart.